Hey folks, today we're diving into a political storm that's got everyone talking. President Biden recently made waves with a controversial comment that's put several Democratic senators in a precarious position. During a virtual event, Biden referred to Trump supporters as garbage, aiming to condemn hateful rhetoric from a recent Trump rally. The backlash was immediate, and now, key Democratic senators are scrambling to distance themselves from his words. Senator Tammy Baldwin of Wisconsin, Senator Jon Tester of Montana, Senator Sherrod Brown of Ohio, Senator Jackie Rosen of Nevada, Senator Bob Casey of Pennsylvania, and Arizona Senate candidate Ruben Gallego all voiced their disagreement. They're making it clear, they don't condone disparaging voters based on political affiliation. Biden's comment, quickly likened to Hillary Clinton's infamous basket of deplorables remark in 2016, has cast a shadow over the Democratic campaign trail. Vice President Kamala Harris even stepped in, emphasizing her disagreement with criticizing voters. She's standing firm on representing all Americans, regardless of their political choices. The White House rushed to clarify Biden's statement, stating he meant to condemn the hateful rhetoric itself, not the voters, but the damage might already be done. Critics argue that Biden's words could alienate moderate and swing voters, crucial groups in the upcoming elections. On the campaign trail, Trump isn't letting this one slide. He's using Biden's comment to rally his base, while early voting numbers continue to climb. The stakes are high and every word matters. So, what's next? Will Biden's clarification be enough to mend fences, or will this controversy haunt the Democrats through Election Day? Only time will tell. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this breakdown helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Stay informed, stay engaged, and we'll see you next time.